So, traders, just a quick summary into how the markets are looking this week. Let me just update you guys and make sure that I continue with guys within this week so you can have a wonderful one, a profitable one, and so you can gain the wisdom and the knowledge that you need as a trader. But before we get ahead with the video, like the video, leave a subscription, hit the subscription bell, turn on the notification bell, share the video, leave a comment on the video, or most importantly, click that like to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and have a comment. And for the most part of it, we have a new crypto YouTube page, so we left it linked in our description. You can just click that link, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, share the video, share the channel, and most of all, leave a comment on the videos so we can put you on game. But without further ado, let me share to you guys how the markets are looking and what you might need to expect within this week. First things first, as you guys clearly understand, on nasdaq we spoke about a few things: that where price was currently trading, where price closed on Friday. We left an anticipation based on our video trading outlook that we're simply waiting for confirmation, and confirmation was based on us sitting to understand, are we gonna get a fall to break within this very same zone, or are we gonna get a break below? So you can clearly see that price gave us what? Bullish momentum above this very same zone. And price gave us that momentum we were looking for and traded bullish. So now looking forward into this week, what I'm just gonna say to you guys is that we're still gonna continue waiting for confirmation based on how prices looking from a strong momentum. Now prices in a range. What we now might need to focus on is to see price giving us a break above this racing mode intraday key level, so we can look for those possible new highs. But if price gives us a fail to break, then I guess we'll look at those reversals to the downside based on that intraday key level. So that's what we're going to be anticipating and looking forward to on nasdaq. Second pair, which is gold. And on gold, I did share to you guys that there's no trade idea based on how gold is looking and based on how price has been moving. So as you can clearly see, price is still trading where we left in an anticipation based on us having no trade idea. So there's nothing else that I'm just going to do but to just move to the last pair, which is usdcad. And guys, as you understand on usdcad, what we spoke about, even though we did have an anticipation that we don't have a trade idea, it's very simple. And I'm just gonna share it to you guys. So as you can clearly see, this bear momentum that price gave us on Friday and in the week, right? So with this intraday range that price has been holding, all I just want you guys to be mindful of it is price had strong bullish bear move to the downside, and then now price is in a range. As you guys clearly understand that from such price action, that price gives you a push and then a range, there's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the downside. But understanding that price still has this intraday major zone, this intraday zone, so there's nothing else that you might need to put your focus on. But if you are looking to capitalize within this very same 60 pip range, and looking at the 60 pip range, 65 pip range, I would say it is enough to take your trades, because based on how we trade in the CUT Academy, we look for a 20 pip stop, right, which might be somewhere right there, and then we might tell it about a 65 pip move, which is equivalent to a 1 2 3, right, 1 2 3, 12, right, which is more equivalent to that. But I'm just going to keep it the way I keep it. Nasdaq usdcad, we still didn't have a trade idea based on how our price action has been moving, based on how our price action has been looking. But that's all we're just going to share for now, looking forward into ending the week. What I'm just going to expect from you guys, because you've reached up until the end of the video, is to like on the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and I'll recommend. And for the most part of it, subscribe to our crypto channel so we can put you on game within the trading life. Without further ado, this is Halom, COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.